Hey, I just released a video on making this miter sled, and if you haven't seen the video yet, I have a link in the description. Now, I've been thinking about building something like this for a while, although I was originally thinking just a panel sled. And like I said in the video, it's kind of a Norm Abram style, or at least that's what people say, because in one of the episodes of the New Yankee Workshop, he's got a bunch of different chop jigs he's making, and one is a panel sled. And the idea there is the fences in the back, because that way you get more of the miter bar in the slot as you're making the cut on the table saw, as opposed to this direction where you got your whole panel here and you only have so much of the miter bar you can actually get in the slot as you're making the cut. So I was thinking I'd like to make one of those, but kind of change it up, make it adjustable. So that way I have the benefits of the panel sled, but also a miter gauge at the same time. So I'm still thinking about how I'm going to find uses for this. I think I will, but there's always kind of a balance of whether it's best on the miter saw or by hand or with something like this, like a miter sled or miter gauge. But, you know, the real benefit of this, I suppose, is I can make non-through cuts, which you technically can do on the miter saw, but it's kind of a pain to do that. So I'll see. Yeah, I'm excited to try to find uses for this. I think it'll be fun to use. And it does work pretty well with the tests I've done so far. But I'm curious what you think. I don't know. Let me know. Is this something you would bother making? Is there a problem you see with it? Or I don't know. Or if there's just something you would improve, I'd like to know.